Is that heavy, Tim?
Oh, I'm gonna get hit by a ladder.
Oh, she's all right. It's okay.
Yeah?
Just enough to get that good swell on before the ceremony.
Tim and I get the most romantic tables, don't we, Tim?
Excuse me, just to know, how come there's no flashlight?
You know what they say, right, Tim? If it's not Boeing, I'm not going. It's an Airbus. The other thing that you're just standard issue when you get to San Francisco International Airport are AirPods. As soon as you land, they just give them to you. And they don't really work because there's no cord, so you can't hear your music, but from what I've noticed, you just walk around with them all day. And that's kind of your life. You're gonna go do some serious business, Tim. Conference call. Out here we have The Rock, which is a very strange thing to have as a view from a hotel room, an old prison.
You turn around looking at the bread. Keep looking at it.
The magic here is unbelievable. We were in San Francisco, but we've just been transported to Iowa, and now we're in Hawaii. And now we're flying through the air. The trip of a lifetime here to Hawaii. Now pass me the rock. We're here today at the historic SeaTac Airport. I love Portland, Nirvana, Grey's Anatomy, Frasier. Let's go explore the Space Needle. Andrew Funny in the wild.
There's a dog in that car, Taylor.
There's a dog in that car. City of Portland. Portland is actually a sister city to Cabo San Lucas in Mexico. I like it there. They call Portland the Cabo San Lucas of the North.
But that's not true.
I like how they don't even really notice you, that you're just like, taking pictures.
But street photography is weird. Like if you're self-conscious, everybody is conscious about you doing it. But if you just really don't care,
and just
if you're like, whatever, you just something. If it's just natural, then everybody else assumes it's natural.
I'm here to photograph some falling water, and behind me, there's a restaurant. I hear the risotto here is tremendous. So everyone's kind of cramming to the front here to get their photo as close to the waterfall as possible, but the actual best shot, I think, is right here where you can use the trees to kind of frame what's going on. Since it is kind of the middle of the day, we're not really getting any really interesting evening sunset style light. So you kind of find those natural frames to make the composition a little bit more interesting, since the lighting really isn't doing it yet. Nailed it.
It does look very Norse.
Spend all my money on pretty things, diamante shoes and all these diamond rings. Yes, I spend my money on these nice fancy cars on a Jack in the Box and old trips to Mars. Yes, and I, and I ain't got no shilling.
It's the greatest hotel in the world because it has, look at this, it's a robot luggage facility.